thumb and our index finger. We just place directly on top of the B, which is the racket throat.
Yeah.
So we move it down all the way roughly there. All right. Okay. Then this is the way we hold our forehand grip.
Okay.
All right. This is we call it the continental grip.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Sounds
So,
good.
yep. So for backhand grip, we're going to use Eastern grip. That will be in the later part. Okay. Eastern grip will be used for, serve and also double backhand. All right. Okay.
Great.
So this is here. Always hit the ball at the back. You do not hit the ball like facing your opponent because it's just like you're playing badminton.
Okay.
Yeah, tennis is very different from badminton.
Yeah.
So you always hit at the side, just like baseball
Yeah.
and hockey and golf swing.
Yes. Yeah.
You never,
You never facing
correct,
on. Okay.
correct. So you'll be standing like both feet in this lower boxes.
Uh-huh.
All right. The distance is always usually for coaches they will want you to be very precise. So they want you to be one racket distance. But for me, I think it's just make yourself comfortable that it's just a parallel, perpendicular to your shoulder, right shoulder and left shoulder. Nothing too close and nothing too wide.
Okay.
All right, just roughly the same distance between your right and left shoulder blades. All right. So okay. So this is how we stand. So every time we hold the rackets with the forehand grip, our left hand actually is used for support. Yeah, we use to support the racket throat. Yeah, because tennis racket is very heavy compared to, table tennis or even badminton. So we always ready position. We always use two hands to hold the racket.
Okay.
Yes, our left hand will hold on the throat area.
Okay.
The area. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So step 1 is racket preparation, racket behind. So 2 is the contact point. When you contact the ball, the frame is actually pointing towards your belly button. Yeah, you do not allow your racket face to tilt up and tilt down.
Or just straight.
Yes, straight to your body and your nose and your belly button.
Okay.
Right? If your racket face, kind of like tilted up, right, your ball will fly out. Right. So if you tilt down, the ball will not go across the net. All right. Just want to keep it parallel. Yeah, to the net. Okay. So 3 is follow through. Always have to follow through. This is step 3. All right. 4 is the finish. Okay. So there's 4 steps how we play the game. 1 is the racket preparation. Right. 2, contact the ball. 3, follow through after you contact the ball. Then 4, finish. Right. So it's very 4 steps. So you're gonna do the same swing as me for about 5 swing. Then we'll start the hit combo.
Yeah.
Okay.
That sounds good.
So then in front of you, so we will do the same thing. I'm pointing at the ball. Just now. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Always look at the eyes on the ball. The ball is always in front of the front foot. The contact point. Okay, never let the ball go into this area, chop block direction.
You always want to be hitting it.
Yeah,
Right,
front
okay.
foot. Yeah, this
Okay.
way. Fine. So we have better control.
Okay.
Then we perfect time.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Ready? Look at the mic. Go. Nice. Yeah. If you get that this chop block or even 1, 2 p.m. directions, that means you're hitting it. Okay. All right. So then time. Let's go. Good. Oh, very good.